In this video, I'll be showing you how to fill a hole in Tinkercad, which is really helpful when you're fixing gaps or refining your design. First, choose a shape that best fits the hole you want to cover. Once you have that, drag the shape toward the object you're working on, then position it directly over the hole. From here, you'll want to readjust the shape so it fits perfectly. You can resize it, change the dimensions, or adjust the height until it fills the hole cleanly. Make sure to take your time with this part. You can also rotate and look at your design from multiple angles to double-check that the hole is fully covered and secured. And yeah, that's basically how to fill a hole in Tinkercad. Thank you for watching.